All right, I want to clarify something because I think maybe some of you you're a little confused about my position now. You shouldn't be, because 2 days ago I put out a video and I said, right after the continuing resolution was passed, I said this changes everything back to the bullish mode: bullish for risk assets, bearish for safety assets. So in other words, bullish for stocks, bullish for commodities, bullish for gold, bearish for treasuries, bearish for the dollar. And yesterday I sent out to MMT+Trader subscribers a number of emails, and one of those emails um, had position reversals. I was short the S&P futures, and I covered and went long yesterday at 2148 in the December E-mini. We also had some buy levels in the QQQ that were hit at 117.75. I advised taking profits in the SDS, that was the inverse S&P ETF. Some of the other ones didn't get hit, like SPY. It didn't get down to our level, I don't think, nor did the DIA. But we did get filled in the QQQ. I also had some subscribers. I originally sent out saying anything below 1323 in December gold was a good buy. I did put out a specific number after that. I said 1850, I believe. But some people did buy below that 1323, and they've made some money, so that's great. So my position has gone back to bullish for risk assets. I just put out a video earlier about my thoughts on Deutsche Bank and why it is overhyped, the situation, because of that EU bail-in law. They have to, by law, take depositor money and recapitalize themselves if the German government decides not to do it. I mean, that's the law. And it might freak out some depositors, but my contention is, and looking at the sort of a calm situation now, in not just in Germany, but all of Europe, because the law applies to all the EU. You don't see people running. I don't see any, I'm sure there's people in Europe who watch this channel. Let us know. Are you running to your bank to pull out money? I don't know. I don't see that. So, but here's the thing. I flipped back around. I'm long now. I think that's the proper positioning. But I have to say this. I am very much looking forward to October 1st. That's tomorrow. You know what that is. That's the start of the new fiscal year here in the United States. So, well, tomorrow is Saturday. We won't get any numbers. But by Tuesday, okay, on the daily treasury statement, we will already start to see the numbers, the comparisons between 2017, how it starts off, in 2016. And remember, I'm the only guy in the world who does this. You don't get this. People who watch this channel, I don't even think, like some of you, I don't even think you realize how far ahead, what kind of information. You're not going to get this from Goldman Sachs or Morgan Stanley or CNBC or anybody, any big economist. You're not going to get it. So, I mean, people sometimes, they come on here like, look at you, you're such a loser. You only have 1,500 subscribers. Yeah, well, you don't find diamonds laying around in the street either. If you did, they wouldn't be worth anything, okay? I don't expect to have hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Most people think the way everybody else does because it makes them comfortable. They don't want to step out. Success and winning necessitates a different point of view. There has not been anything in the history of the world that has come about from thinking the way everybody else thinks. I'm sorry, okay? So anyone who launches this stupid argument that, hey, nobody else thinks the way you do, exactly. Thank you very much. Change can only come from seeing things differently and having the conviction and the diligence and putting forth the effort to uncover what is true. It's easy to follow the crowd. That's why the crowd never makes any money. That's why nothing good ever comes from the crowd. So, if you're going to come on here and say, oh, you only got 1,500 subscribers, well, fuck it. I don't want more than that, okay? I don't need more than that. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know what got me off on that rant, but I am long. Oh yeah, I was saying we'll be looking at the numbers, and as I always say, I am the only one. I just said that, but also we get the information before anybody else. 2017 will be an incredibly important year to have MMT Trader. If you thought 2016 was good, and if you thought you stumbled onto MMT Trader and my services here in this year, and it's helped you so much. I had another guy just 15 minutes ago send me an email saying, Mike, it took me months and months and months to decide to sign up to your service, and then I finally did, and in the last 2 weeks, this guy made over $7,000 trading gold ETFs just off of my gold calls. Okay, so there you go. He's how many years of subscriptions is that? Remember the guy who quit because he said he's got to save up the $100 and he made 8,000. You got crazy people here too. You know that's self-sabotage. Look, I got no patience for people. If you hate yourself and if you deny yourself, this is not the club to be in. You know, I'm for boosting self-esteem. I'm for saying to yourself, you got to learn how to say to yourself, you're great and you're doing the right thing. And when you're not doing the right thing, you correct yourself. You put yourself back on course. But if you hate yourself and if you come here to criticize because you hate yourself and you deny yourself and you're a nibbler and you're everything else that is never going to lead to success for you, just anger, then get lost, please. I'm the only one who does this. We have the information before anyone else. So what I was saying is 2017, we will know before anyone, within the first very short period of time, how 2017 is going to play out compared to 2016. And we will be positioned accordingly. And everybody else will find out 3-6 months later. We'll already have had made so much money. So sign up. www.pitbulleconomics.com. Go to the tab that says products. You get a 30-day free trial, no obligation. By the way, my 3-course bundle, I'm selling the Forex course, Understanding the Daily Treasury Statement course, and the MMT Value Stock Selection course, all for $295. You could still get that on my website. That's a $450 value, really much more, because when I was selling those courses or giving them online, that's really a multi-$1,000 value for $295. And if you bought one or two of those courses, I'll adjust your price for the third one. I'll throw it in there. So just let me know. Got to go to the website. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.